I thought you were like filming me, but now you are anyways.
And DJ. And Don's over there working, getting to town. And then Jeff is over that way somewhere. We don't know where Jeff went. He's like an elk himself. He just wanders around.
That's cool. Well, come on.
Packing out Don's bull.
You guys are taking it from the wrong angle.